Alright, this is our first video.
First.
Number 1. And we have
Shaving foam,
boom,
glue,
boom,
eye contact solution,
boom, boom.
lotion,
Yep.
and baking soda.
Yes. So, you should know what we're about to make. We are about to make slime. Of course, it's in the title. However, I am a mother, and I hate slime. I hate slime. I hate slime. I hate slime. I see the slime, I throw it away. There's some more slime, I throw it away. I don't like slime. I don't be understanding the purpose. So, we are going to make slime that serves a purpose. I have pure essential oils, plant therapy essential oils, which we use in our company, which is called
Forever Ashe.
And Forever Ashe is all about aromatherapy that helps with like mental wellness. So everything is about anxiety, depression, and things like that. You feel good when you smell the aromas, okay? So we're about to get started.
Why do you have your little thing?
Okay, what's next?
Shaving foam. There you go.
How do you know how much shaving foam you're supposed to use?
Just go in with it.
What you mean just go in with it?
You can buy how much ever you want. Okay, that's enough.
If you just said that's enough, that means it is a limit to how much shaving cream. I don't know. Can I keep adding? But this don't feel right. I feel like she messing me up, y'all.
I swear.
It shouldn't be all on my hand like this.
You're supposed to knead it up first. Here, Mom, let me just do yours.
I'm not. No, I'm about to figure it out. Mine's not straight. You just break it apart.
Here, put some lotion in it. Mine's is very stretchy. You added too much activate. That's why I told you to knead it first.
Alright, I think my slime is just not. Now I put too much lotion.
Let me see.
Wait, I don't want help.
Okay.
Wait, I might need help. Wait, no. Okay, so if I did that, what if I wanted more shaving cream?
You could just add it in there.
So it don't matter how you do it. Stop touching it. Don't judge my slime.
Mine is like way better. Ooh. You want to just have my slime?
What am I doing?
This is for people who first, oh my God, say I'm the worst slime maker ever.
So we won't be doing anything with my slime.
Yeah.
I think I didn't like.
Messed it up. Oh my God.
I need a towel.
Here, go get a towel and I'll get this.
Yeah, I'll be back.
This is how you fix my mom's slime. She added too much shaving foam in. So all you want to do is just like This is just terrible. She made her slime. That's why I told her in the first place to let me see her slime before she mess it up even more.
Alright. Let me put it back in my little bowl.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I got it.
No.
But that's... Did you put more on there?
No, that you gonna overactivate it. It was already overactivated. That's why it was hard.
No, but now it's too soft. It's like way too soft.
I love my slime. I'm just gonna act like nothing happening over there.
Yeah.
No. Oh my god.
It's too soft.
That's why you're supposed to knead it.
I know, that's what I'm doing. And you said the activator make it hard. I think.
You want my slime?
Okay, so I'm.
Okay, look at mine.
I don't follow directions well. I wonder where you get that from.
I'm going to add a little bit of lotion to it, and then in the next, well, I'm going to try to fix my mom's slime, because we're just going to throw away my slime. Since I like throwing away slime, I'm just going to throw it away. No, that's a lace of glue and everything. No, it's horrible. I can fix slime.